right, here we are again, cutting out a Christmas sign for my wife. You can see I've already got kind of some stars laid out here, but this is going to be, I guess, an excerpt from Oh Holy Night. So, enjoy! So here's the finished product. Well, almost finished. I'll paint the letters and then pull this blue aura mask off. But cut out real nice. I used a nice new bit, and so the aura mask didn't pull up at all. It's perfect, and really happy with the way it turned out. So there you go.